Good morning. I want to thank Nature's Love Company for conducting insecticide defogging today. I can say that the product Together Plus is very good, very effective, and very efficient in terminating all kinds of bugs, insects, and even small mice. So thank you very much for the fumigation and defogging activity here in Tagaytay Country Homes 3. And I look forward to recommending this product to other subdivisions in Tagaytay. Thank you very much.
Good morning po. Wala po akong masasabi sa Together Plus at nakita ko naman po ang pag-demo natin ay patay po lahat ng kahit ipis po at lahat ng ibang insekto, hindi lang po lamok. Pwede ko po siyang i-recommended sa aking ibang ka-BHW or sa CHO. Thank you po.
What will I say? The service was really good. You know, you were on time almost. The odor of the chemical use is not as, strong as the other chemicals that other company uses. All right? What else? The outcome of the spray fumigation, I won't know till after, after the spray. But I already signed up for every 3 months treatment, so that's a good sign.
Value of the service is very good. I can recommend. The price is value for money. Very good.